Hey everyone, this is Matt King with the Piers Team, out here with another update on our project in Harrisonville, Missouri. We are getting ready to start painting our newly mortared stone foundation walls with white Drylock waterproofing paint. Take a quick look around here. You've seen we've got everything realigned and now mortared. And then this last step is the Drylock, and that is going to essentially keep these walls from letting water leach in. If you remember from the very first day of this project, we had water coming in underneath one of the walls, and that caused essentially the entire basement here to flood. So we had to take care of that with a new sump pump. But we've got all that repaired. Another quick look at the rest of this project. We're getting these 2 foot by 2 foot and 2 foot thick concrete footings installed. We have our support beams in place. All that's left for this portion is to secure the support beams to the footings and the existing beams right here. So all that is about finished up. So we'll get most of the painting taken care of today. Should be able to get that all finished up by tomorrow and everything else secured. So we probably have another couple days on this project before we're all finished up, but it's moving along great. No water has been leaching in to this basement since we've done these repairs. Everything's looking good. The wall's realigned. Even on the outside, we've repaired the stone there, dug down a little bit, repaired the stone, and gotten everything mortared up on that side also. And then really the only other thing we're going to be doing on this project outside in the back, there's a little concrete pad. You saw that on the video, one of the videos from last week. We're just going to prop that back up, back to level. It's sinking towards the house. So we want to prop that back up back to its correct level elevation, but everything else is going good. We got everything in place, so now we're just in the finishing stages of painting the walls and getting the support beams locked into place, and that'll be it for this project. So stay tuned for the last couple updates. You'll be able to find those on our YouTube and Facebook channels if you just search for King Piers LLC. Again, you'll be able to see all the updates throughout this project, as well as all of our other current and past projects. And again, please give us a like and subscribe if you have not been there already. You can also go to our website, www.kingpiers.com. And of course, you can always give us a call, 1-816-288-4373.